Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be discussing the probability method genetics. This method abuses basic rule of probability, predicting a chance or likelihood for getting a specific genotype or phenotype. Don't worry because I'll be explaining it step by step substantiated clearly. So let's first start. We have here, so ang probability kay mao ni siya ang pagkuha sa chance nga mahimo siya nga usa ka trait. Before solving this, mogamit ta og multiplication and add. So we have here a question problem number 1. It's stated here that a gardener is studying a tomato plants with two traits. So we have the dominant, we have the plant height and the fruit color. So the dominant here is the tall plant, while the recessive here is the short plant. In contrast, we have here a fruit color. A red shows the dominant and the yellow shows the recessive. So the question, both parents are heterozygous. Then the question is, what is the probability of getting a plant that is short and yellow? So here, we need to first use the Punnett square to know how many probability we can see or we can use or we can get to see a short. So ang gipangita man dere is awa here. So iyang gipangita sa plant height is short, while the fruit color is short. Okay. So we have a pattern that shows the genetics of each dominant, hetero, and the recessive one. So, recessive one naman ang gina. So, we have here 1/4. Nganong 1/4 man? Kay isa naman siya ng kabuok. Okay. There is the another trait, the fruit color. At the same time, we will find the recessive one. Okay, the recessive one, no? So, 1/1. After getting this, we will multiply. So 1/4 equals 1/16. So out of 16 offspring, only one chance or one will be given a short and yellow. Okay, here is another example. So we have here in animals, dominant big ears and the recessive has a small ears. While the long tail is dominant, the short tail is recessive. Two animals are crossed together, so their genotypes are A, B, both heterozygous, hetero. So the question is, what is the probability that an offspring will have small ears and short tails? So same na ganina sa problem 1, ang gipangita niya is small or the recessive one only. Okay. First is we will check both trait to know kung unsa ang makuha. Same here, ang nakuha no kay yes. Kani. Wait, awa kong circle ha. Kani. Yes. Mao na yan nakuha. Dapat ato gyud siyang i-separate kay mao niya ang pinaka-importante nga step. So the probability of the small ears is 1/4. So 1/4 gihapon siya. So here, another one. So we have here the question asks for a small tails. So we separate it and so gi-separate na pud nato siya. Then the short tails appear only this one. This one. So mao ra na atong gipangita. Out sa upat ka buok, isa ra ang gawas. So 1/4 gihapon siya. And then after getting the probability, we multiply and we will get 1/4 times 1/4 was 1 over 16 because out of the 16 offspring, only one will be short and tail. So gamay ra kaayo ang chance pero possible gihapon. So need gihapon siya no i-separate ang trends to found the probability of each one another, then multiply them because the problem uses the word. Dapat bulagon nimo siya ang trace bago nimo makuha, usa nimo siya i-multiply. I think that's how to use that's how the probability method in genetics. I hope the explanation helped you to understand it better. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you to my next vlog.